Hey guys, it's Meg. I am back with another makeup tutorial. Today is a bold, simple red lip look. And of course, if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below your favorite red lipstick because I want some recommendations. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. So starting off with some clear brow gel, I like to do that first while I'm doing my complexion so then it can kind of dry as I'm doing everything else and really set in place. This is the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. It is so satisfying for me to watch this back and me putting it on. It's so beautiful. You can really see just how natural it looks. It gives a really nice dewiness, but it really is undetectable. You can't see it and you can't feel it on the skin, which is my favorite part. And then I go in with a little bit of concealer right in the inner corner and right at the edge of my eye, and I like to let that sit as well as I do my bronzer and blush, just so then basically the coverage gets a little bit enhanced and it kind of dries down in place where I need it. And I always like to do those points of the eye so then they're extra bright. And I pop a little bit of cream blush on before my powders just so then it lasts a little bit longer throughout the day. This one kind of always goes a little bit more peachy on me even though it's supposed to be pink, but we'll fix that later. I tap in my concealer with my ring finger, just starting from the inner corner and tapping out, and it gives a really nice, beautiful coverage. I always say start on the inner corner and tap out because that's typically where we need the most coverage, is right in that kind of inner corner of the eye. So going in with my lovely brow pen, I like to just add exactly where I need it, and that's also why I do the clear brow gel first because I can tell exactly where I need a little bit more filling. I like to just set the center of my face with my Charlotte Tilbury powder, just so then I'm not matte all over, but nice and blurred in the areas that I do get a bit more oily. I like to go in with a little bit of powder blush always on top of my creams, just so then they last a little bit longer. Blush is typically the first thing to kind of fade, so I'm just kind of tapping this in, and I went in with one that's a little bit more pinky just so it vibes with my lip color. I always like to kind of match up my blush and my lip color so everything just kind of is very cohesive. This is also a little bit of a more pinky highlighter from Charlotte Tilbury. Super pretty. Now for the eyes today, because I kind of want to do a bolder lip, I always like to make that the focus and then go a little bit more simpler on the eye so then nothing's getting too intense and kind of taking over the attention. And I really like to go in with my mascara wand right in those inner corners too, and also right at kind of the ends as well, and I really like to blink into my wand. It's also so humbling watching this back and seeing how I put on mascara, like, oh my gosh. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a brown eyeshadow just on a little angled eyeliner brush and just basically flick out from my outer corner to just kind of enhance my lashes a bit and my eye shape. And then I'm also gonna take that brush and literally stamp it right in the inner corner. Honestly, a couple stamps with whatever's left over on your brush will do the trick. The more you fiddle with it, the less it's going to work out. So literally a couple times and you are good to go. And you can see how much it just kind of changes my eye shape. Makes it a lot more cat-like and just a little bit more snatched, which I like as well. And again, honestly, the best trick I can give you guys is that when you want to do that inner corner liner, take whatever's left over on the brush, don't add product, and just tap with it and it will do the work for you. Now with the red lip, liner is always a must. I don't know where my red liner went, so I'm using a pink one, but anything to kind of give you a guideline will help you so much just to really get those nice sharp lines. I went in with my favorite red lipstick, which is Russian Red from MAC, but I realized it actually wasn't as deep as I kind of was picturing in my head, so I added a little bit of Red Velvet from Sephora collection. It's a lip stain, which is also really nice if you're going out and wanting it to last and not move around. Because I won't lie, the MAC one does move a little bit and transfer, and this one just kind of made it a little bit more of that like wine red color, which I kind of was going for. I love Russian Red, but it just wasn't exactly what I was going for this day. And basically, this is the look, you guys. Super quick and easy, simple but bold look that is perfect for fall and winter time. If you guys try it out, comment down below, tag me, and enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next one.